Today we're doing a little bit of motocross riding on my 2025 Yamaha YZ250F. And I have decided today that I need to push myself to ride a little bit out of my comfort zone. I feel like the only way for you to get better and faster is to really push yourself, and honestly, you have to get out of your comfort zone in order to reach those new speed levels. Realistically, what that means is like using the throttle way more and just carrying more momentum. But specifically for me on this track, I'm going to try and focus on carrying more entry speed, more momentum into the corners, and using the throttle a whole lot more through the straightaways. Overall, it is just dirt bike riding. We're out here to have fun and have a good day, so that's the ultimate goal. Let's get right into it. Holy shit! That was sketchy. Bike just went, kicked me like crazy off of that. Well, that was a little sketchy, huh? This guy's scaring me a little bit. Oh, that inside line. It's way smoother. Yeah, dude, triple that, come on. All right, let's stay third. There we go. Much smoother through there. Hang this outside. Don't go over the berm. Heavy on the throttle. Coast that one. I don't like this line here at all. Oh, dude, my hands hurt so bad in the truck already. I've only done like 7 laps. All right, let's stay third. Got it. Nope, I'm not leaning. Shit, dude. Start forcing yourself. There we go. I knew I could do that stupid triple. Get way up on the front. See, I'm not leaning in these ruts. I don't know why I'm like riding so bad in the ruts. I'm not trusting myself at all. That felt decently smooth. I'm trying to push myself, but that doesn't mean that I want to ride out of control all day. place. Sorry, guys. Stand through the bumps, sit. Damn it, I didn't lean. All right, standing. Ah! Garbage. Back to the inside. Let's go. There we go. Dude, every time I hit one of the bigger jumps and I get some decent air, the wind is making my bike like come out from underneath me. Alright, let's try this inside route once. Nope. God. Try this inside. Stand over those bumps, lean into the rut a little bit better. Not bad. Squeezing. That was sketchy. We're not going to fuck it up. Yep, we are. I'm done trying that triple. Oh, shit. The wind through that section is getting pretty gnarly. Almost blew me sideways. Okay, a little choppy. Back to the inside. There's no real exit to this line. There's like a... There's like an entry rut, but no exit. Yeah, dude. Every time I hit these jumps, my bike feels so sketchy in the air because of the wind. I tried, guys. I tried to push myself a little bit harder than usual. Hopefully that portrayed in my riding. Hopefully I wasn't too slow, but who knows. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.